First of all, thanks to Go Nature for conducting such an interesting session, for making us aware about the basics of naturopathy, basically. So we have learned during the session to say no to MRP. So the first is milk-related products, and then there comes the refined product and packed products. Then we have learned how to drink the water, where to keep the water, how we must drink the water. And we have learned also about how the consistent intake of medicines is consistently impacting our bodies. So we must stop taking so much of medicine. We must root ourselves to naturopathy, and going ahead we must replace medicines from our routine life. Then we have also learned why to take the seasonal foods and why it is good for our health, and how and why we must go for this, and how the big markets like the other markets are actually making us understand that it is impacting our bodies and other things to the pesticides which is injected in the food. And you have cleared it very well, how why and how it should not bother us so much. So thanks once more to the Go Nature team for conducting such an event.